Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start New Game Plus in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. To begin, simply select the World of Light mode again after completing it once. This option allows you to restart the entire campaign from the very beginning. You'll get to refight every battle and recollect all the spirits, but with a significant advantage. It's a fantastic way to revisit the adventure with all your hard-earned progress intact. One of the best aspects of New Game Plus is what you get to keep. All the fighters you've unlocked throughout your initial playthrough will still be available from the start. Your entire skill tree, with all its upgrades, also carries over, making early battles much easier. Plus, every spirit you've collected and leveled up will be ready for action, giving you a powerful head start on your next journey. Replaying World of Light with New Game Plus offers several great benefits. It's the perfect opportunity to find any fighters or spirits you may have overlooked during your first run, aiming for that 100% completion. You can also enjoy the story mode with your complete roster of characters, trying out new strategies. Plus, challenging yourself with different spirit team combinations adds a fresh layer of fun to familiar battles. To truly maximize your New Game Plus adventure, experiment with diverse spirit combinations to tackle even the toughest challenges. Strive for 100% completion of the World of Light map, uncovering every secret and unlocking every character. This mode offers extensive replayability, letting you enjoy the journey multiple times. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home life too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.